This Lonely Planet website has lots of useful resources for travelers. I often use this destinations page when I'm starting to plan a trip. To make it easy to get back to a page whenever we want to, we can bookmark it. Once a site is bookmarked, it shows up on a list in the browser. In Internet Explorer, bookmarks are called favorites. The Favorites menu displays the pages that we've already bookmarked. Most of our bookmarks are organized in folders. Some of these folders and bookmarks were already set up when we installed the browser, and since then we've added others. Notice the Links folder. I'll explain more about that in a minute. The bookmarks on our main Favorites menu include this one, called NetLingo, which is a handy guide to Internet terms and jargon. When we click it, that page displays. We can search for terms alphabetically and use other resources available on the site. That's how a bookmark works. And remember the Links folder? Bookmarks in that folder display on the Links toolbar, making them even easier to get to. If you're using Netscape Navigator, it's called the Personal toolbar. If it's not displayed on your computer, you can open the View menu and select Show, then select Personal toolbar. To show or hide the toolbar, click the tab at the left end. In some browsers, including Internet Explorer, we can move toolbars, dragging them where we want them to go. Let's go back to the Lonely Planet page. Now we'll bookmark it, adding it to the Favorites list. We open the Favorites menu and select Add to Favorites. In the dialog box, we can change the name of the bookmark if we want to. We'll leave this one as is. Here's a tip though. You may want to remove words like the or welcome to from the beginnings of bookmark names so you can sort them alphabetically by the actual name. Next, we choose where to create the bookmark using this folder list. If it doesn't display on your computer, just click the Create In button. If we don't choose a folder, it's added to the main Favorites list. We could create a new folder if we wanted to, but we'll add this one to the Travel folder. Then we click OK. Now when we open the Favorites menu and go to the Travel folder, our bookmark is there. Now we want to move this bookmark into a folder. It's a legal reference website, and since we'll probably bookmark more legal sites, we'll create a new folder. To organize our favorites, we select that from the menu and a dialog box opens. First, we'll create the new folder, so we click that button. The new folder is added to the bottom of the list, and we type and enter a name for it. Then we select the item we want to move and click the Move to Folder button. Another dialog box asks which folder we want to move it to. We select the Legal folder and click OK. We could also rename or delete items here, but we're done for now, so we click Close. When we open the Favorites menu, the new folder displays. To rearrange the order of items in the list, we just drag an item. The line shows where it will be moved to. When we release the mouse button, it's moved. We close the menu. To show you another way to display the Favorites list, we click the Favorites button and the list displays in the Explorer bar. This is useful if we want to keep it open as we use it. If you're using America Online, bookmarks are called Favorite Places. You add one by clicking the Favorite Places button on the web page window. You display your list by clicking the Favorites button and selecting Favorite Places. Besides using the buttons on the bottom to work with your favorite places, you can organize items by dragging them. If you're using Netscape Navigator, you display bookmarks with the Bookmark button. You would use Add Bookmark to add a bookmark to the main list, and File Bookmark to file a bookmark in a folder. Selecting Edit Bookmarks opens the Bookmarks window in which you can edit and organize items. From here, you can add new bookmarks and folders using the File menu.